everybody. Happy Monday, December the 6th. Oh my goodness, 25 days until 2022. I hope you're ready. And I see a dog bone on my floor of my kids. So last year at this time, let me do a sound check real quick. Sorry. Let me make sure you can hear me.
I hope you're ready.
Yes. Okay. All right. So, so here's the thing. Last year in December, we were doing 109 deals a day, and I'm a little confused with the stats because let's see, let me put it up here. 109 deals a day. Let me put this one down. So this year we're doing 125. When I run this, and this is Clark County, by the way. This is not the zip codes here. The zip codes are up here, but because I want to be right in line with Applied Analysis when they put out their reports, they use Clark County, so I do too. So anyway, so 498, 125 a day right now. That's awesome. But look at last year. I have to figure that out because how can that be? Anyway, I will figure it out because 830 seem a bit high. And I didn't have time to do that today, but I will do it after the show. And I have a class today. So anyway, we listed 91 homes. That's super. We have 27 days of inventory. That's okay. I think some of the people are pulling back a little bit because of the holidays, not listing as many homes. So, and we all know that a lot of realtors don't work during this time of the year, and that's okay. You know, you can't work all the time. But the people that are working are, of course, the buyers are finding them, the sellers are finding them. So we have 3,439 available condos, single family homes and townhomes and high rises. And that gives us 27 days of inventory, which is fine. And I'm sure that it will pick up, toward the end of the month after Christmas. Single family homes listed 23 this weekend, and that gives us a total of 639. That's fine. We're, like I keep telling you, we're percolating, we're churning, so that's all good. The $1 million homes still the same, 4 a day. The non-owner occupied, the investors, 45 a day. So embrace this market because nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever.